Hello explorers, how are you doing? I hope you are well. Today we're in the area of Kuala Lumpur called Dang Wangi. Now it used to be called Campbell Road when back in the British colonial days. So we're going to walk around the streets, you're going to see some of the interesting architecture. So let's go and explore. This here is the Monorail train track that runs across the city. And this is the Klang River. Already you can see some of the interesting architecture and the palm trees. And you have a real mix of architecture here. You've got the old and the new. And while we're waiting to cross the street, just look at some of the more recent buildings. So this here is the first hotel that I stayed in Kuala Lumpur back in 2015, called the Reeds Hotel. Unfortunately, it looks to be closed down. You can also see the interesting street art. This is done by Artsy Daffy. Got some more interesting street art, and it's just started raining. Isn't that typical? So again, lots of really interesting street art all the way down here. See what I mean? All the way along here. It was absolutely blue skies when I set off this morning, but the weather changes very quickly in KL. The good thing about KL is there's lots of places to shade yourself away from the sun and the rain. Loving these tiles. And then it rained. At least we got it out of the way. We can continue on with our exploring. Food place here. Not too sure what food it is, but it smells amazing. By the way, I have no idea where we are going. I'm just walking around and capturing what I discover. It's one of those types of videos. So over here you can see like the heritage style buildings. So this area here is called the Row. So yeah, pretty chilled out area. A few bars, coffee shops, a few restaurants. Yeah, not many people around. Plenty of social distancing. It's a nice little area with the trees shielding you. So it's a week later from the footage that you've just seen, and I was rained off and I decided to spend the rest of the afternoon in coffee shops, and I thought I need to come back to Dang Wangi and have a proper continue exploring. So we're picking it up today, and it's a beautiful day, blue skies, red hot, beautiful. Yeah, just to see how beautiful it is today with a blue sky. So we're heading in this direction. Not much to show you right now, just walking along this roadside. It's beautiful weather. Nice and warm. I'm in a bit of a shady spot at the moment. And up here we have the main police station in KL. And nicely shaded hawker stalls over here with Nasi Lemak. Right now we're in the city and just hear the birds in the trees. So this is Jalan Medan Tuanka. I'll just put it on the screen because I'm sure I butchered the name, but look at these old trees. And down here we've just got a mix of shops. We've got a hotel here, we've got jewellery shops. See the sun glistening off the skyscrapers, off the tall buildings here. You can see the monorail here running along the street. Shame we haven't got a train coming across right now. And as you can see, this place here, Kadu bin Abdul restaurant, is very popular. It must be for nasi kandar. And I'm seeing this a lot in Kuala Lumpur, this artwork on the power boxes. Absolutely love it. And the detail is incredible. We've got a crow just chilling out on the top there. So yes, we are heading towards Chow Kit, which is an area of the city that I do enjoy exploring the streets. And yeah, Again, this is another nasi kandar place which is really popular with the locals, people queuing outside of it. Here we go, there's monorail train just coming along. Good timing that. Got these beautiful Arab rugs here. You can see the traffic is getting very busy. It's lunchtime now. We are going to be walking back to Chow Kit, but I just wanted to quickly show you this art mural that's here. Loving it. I was going to go to the market, but it's pretty busy, so I'm going to give it a miss. I thought what we would do is try and get across this road here and explore around the streets of Chow Kit. Here busy for lunchtime. Yes, I think we'll try and cross the road and have an explore around there. More painted power boxes. And for those that don't know, these pink buses are actually free and the routes are all over KL now. Just loving the artwork on this box here. But this is just a crazy road junction. It's probably one of the busiest in KL. Bit of a 360-degree shot. Love these colourful flowers. Oh man, the smells of the food is absolutely incredible. You can now see the shops on the other side. It's quite interesting as you walk down the streets. A lot of the restaurants are closed. And I don't know if that's just because it's gone past midday now, I'm not too sure, but somebody should do a map of all of these artwork boxes all over KL. It'd be interesting to walk around and see them all. I was going to walk around more of the area of Chow Kit, but this Brit is a bit exhausted. He needs some air conditioning and food. And to be honest, getting a monorail is going to be a lot quicker than getting a grab. Look at this traffic. See what I mean? Crazy traffic. Sorry that today's video is a bit all over the place. I really wanted to get off and finish today's walk though, so I could put out a video for you all. I'm going to be leaving Malaysia on Saturday. I will talk to you about that in an upcoming video. I'm going to be doing a coffee shop tour of Chinatown, that's coming up. I'm also going to be doing a video exploring around the area that I've been living in since August 2020. I'll also give you a tour around my apartment as well that I'm going to be leaving very soon. And yeah, a few more videos coming up from Kuala Lumpur before I depart on Saturday. But until then, take care and keep safe.